Are you a first-time home buyer and you don't know where to start with your home purchase? I got you covered. I'm gonna take you through the 7 quick steps to walk you through the home buying process. The first step, know your credit. One of the most important things you can do before you meet with a lender is actually know where your credit score is. A lot of times consumers will look at these other websites like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame. They will give you typically an inflated credit score because they're using a different algorithm to calculate your score. So it's very important you have a good idea of what your score is, because you may talk to a lender, pull your credit, and you could be 50 points off because you've been trusting Credit Karma or one of these other websites that are using a different algorithm. So knowing your credit score is very important. Is there anything on there that needs to be fixed, corrected? There could be things that are inaccurately reporting because of your name. So do some research before you get with a lender. That way when you go into there, you kind of have a good idea of what your credit score looks like and what we're dealing with. Number 2, get pre-approved. That's when you talk to a lender like myself that's gonna help you understand what you can qualify for. So we may be asking you for pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns. We're gonna get to know your overall financial picture, stuff that you may not even want to share with us. But the more we know, the better we can help you structure your loan and get you an approval. That way, when you do start shopping for your property, you can shop with 100% confidence that we're gonna be able to close on your loan with no problems. Number 3, find your realtor, start shopping for your home. This is probably the best part about the whole transaction. You're actually looking for a new home. This is where you're gonna put some roots down, bring your family, or maybe even start a new family for yourself. So finding an agent that has great knowledge about the market that you're in is super important, because you need to understand what is the best way for you to structure your offer. Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? Can you ask for closing costs? Are there bidding wars going on? All of these things can either make your transaction very difficult or very easy. So getting with a knowledgeable real estate agent can make your process go through a lot smoother than what you think. Now that you've been shopping for a home, you submitted an offer and the seller has accepted it. Congratulations, now it's time to get to work. So we're gonna need to update your file, get you your disclosures. This is where the nitty-gritty happens. We're gonna have to abide by all the dates that are in your contract that you've submitted to the seller. So there's gonna be appraisal contingency dates, there's gonna be loan contingency dates, and a close of escrow. All these dates are things that we as a lender have to follow in order to stay in contract and make sure we close your deal on time. So time is of the essence. When we call, text, email you, or ask you for anything, please make sure you get that to us as soon as possible. We know everyone is busy and we've got lives to live, but in order for us to meet the deadline that you've put on your contract, we have to work as a team in order to make this happen. As we move into the loan submission part of the transaction, this is where, like I mentioned, we're gonna be updating your file. You'll have to sign your disclosures. We'll also be ordering the appraisal, which is a third party that will go out and actually verify and tell us how much the home is truly worth. We'll also be working with our processing and our underwriting team to get your loan approved. And again, as your loan gets approved, there will be conditions that will come up that we'll need to get back from you, such as maybe signing a letter of explanation, maybe an updated pay stub, maybe an updated bank statement. Whatever the condition is, again, remember, we're working as a team here. So if we ask you for something that we need back, please provide that to us as soon as you can. And with the convenience of our Mellow loan system, you can upload those documents directly to our secure portal to help you out and keep your privacy. We've crossed our T's and dotted our I's. You've signed all your paperwork. You've been working diligently with us to get everything done. We're working towards the funding of your loan. So our underwriter is working on their clear to close phase, where they're signing everything off and getting ready for your loan docs to go to the title company. And then you will have to wire your closing funds to title so we can wrap this deal up. So again, keep an eye on your email. Make sure that you are ready to go ahead and sign. And again, if the signing is an inconvenience to you, we have notaries that can meet you at your home, meet you at your work, to be able to get those loan documents signed. So again, keep an eye out, keep up the hard work, and we'll get this thing wrapped up shortly. Your loan's funded, it's recorded, the keys are yours. You're a new homeowner. You made it. 7 easy steps. Now here's the cool thing about working with us here at Loan Depot. we actually have what's our lifetime guarantee. What this means to you is that if you refinance in the future, we will waive our lender fees and reimburse you for the cost of the appraisal. How cool is that? We don't just do loans, we think of all of our clients as family. So we want to make sure we take care of you, whether it's a refinance, a purchase, or anyone else that you might refer over to us. That's how we take care of everyone. And again, it was a pleasure walking you through these 7 steps. You're a new homeowner. Buying a home is a lot easier than what you think. And again, if you like this type of information, if this helps you understand the buying process, please like, comment, subscribe below. We want to keep bringing you folks more videos like this to understand the buying, the refinance process, and help you become homeowners and grow your real estate portfolio.